In today's video, I'll show you everything you need to know about hosting a watch party on Facebook on both the computer and your phone. If this video does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below so we can push this to more people and so we can help more people out. So here's what you need to do. So first, make sure you're logged into Facebook to whatever profile you want to host the party on. You can also do this on Facebook pages. So if you have a page that you own, you can create a watch party in a Facebook page as well, also a Facebook group. So I'm going to do it on my personal profile here, or a profile that I've got for this tutorial. What you need to do is click on what's on your mind, and here you can create a post. Now, if you come down to this button here, which is the more button, you'll see the watch party icon, which is going to be the popcorn with the play button. So we can then click on that and it's going to bring up the watch party window. Now what's going to happen is it's going to give you videos that are recommended for you that you could potentially watch. It's going to show you videos that you've watched. I haven't watched any videos. It's going to show you videos that are live right now, videos that you've saved, and also your videos. So you can add any of these videos or any of the live streams to the watch party so you can watch them with other people. You can also search for videos if you've got a specific video that you want to watch or a specific live stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this playlist here to the queue. You can also go into the queue, remove and delete certain videos if you want to, or again you could also add a live broadcast. So once you've done that, click next, and it's then going to come up like a normal post on Facebook. So here you're posting your watch party to your feed. So all we need to do once you've done that is click post, and then it's going to post to your feed, or it's also going to post to your Facebook page if that's where you've created the watch party. So you can see John Smith is hosting a watch party. So we're going to click on this and it's going to take us inside the new watch party. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just going to pause it, but obviously you would let it play and you would obviously watch the video. Now this number here is how many people is currently in your watch party. This is you here, John Smith. And this button gives you the option to share it to other people and share it to your timeline. There's also a comments box, so you and other people can enter in comments and everyone will see it, who's in the watch party. Again, you can invite others by name, you can add new videos, or you can skip through videos here. And you can see what's up next here. That's how you create, invite, and comment on a watch party. Now to end it, you click on these three buttons in the top right hand corner. You can edit the title, or you can click end watch party, and that's going to completely disband the watch party, and that's all you've got to do. Then we can click done, and that's it. So to host a watch party on the phone, it really is the same thing. You click what's on your mind and you go to create a post. You can then scroll down here and we're looking for the popcorn and watch party. Click on that. You can then add videos in the same way that we added videos on the computer once they load here. So you're going to get your videos that are recommended, music, watched, save, live, and so on. Add some videos to the watch party. Once they're in the queue, you can then click done, and then you would post the watch party. So I'm going to click post. This is what the watch party looks like when you're on your phone. You can do all of the same things, including share, check who's here, and write a comment. To end the watch party on mobile, there isn't a distinct button. So what you need to do is click on the top left hand corner, and then just click on the X, and then come to your post here and just delete the post. And that's how you can create and host a watch party on Facebook on the phone as well. So if that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.